In previous video, we talked about suppressed emotion. In this video, we're going to talk about how to declutter. First thing, stop saying that I am fine when you are not. Say what you actually feel. I feel tired, I feel angry, I feel sad. When you say I am feeling, you're telling your brain that it is temporary emotion and I will get over it. How can you express? Sometimes expressing your emotion is just crying or writing one line or just sitting quietly. Think of it as an emotional declutter, letting out what's been stuck so your mind and heart can breathe.